Hello and welcome to another video on expanding brackets. This time we're looking at expanding double brackets. This is when we have something such as x plus 3 in brackets and then right next to it x plus 5. Remember that when we see things in algebra that are kind of pushed together like these two brackets are, that just means that we're timesing them together. Now what we can think of this as, we can think of this almost like our long multiplication of algebra. So we've got x plus 3 and x plus 5. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a little grid like I've done here on the right, and I'm just going to put each of these terms from the brackets into the grid. So x plus 3, I'm going to put an x here, and then I'm going to put my plus 3 down there. Then I'm going to put my x plus 5, I'm going to put my x, and then my plus 5. So kind of like the grid method for long multiplication, very similar idea, and as I say, what we're now going to do is we are multiplying each of these things together. So x multiplied by x gives us x squared, x multiplied by plus 5 gives us plus 5x, x multiplied by plus 3 gives us plus 3x, and then lastly plus 3 multiplied by plus 5 gives us plus 15. Now this is the first step to expanding these brackets. We now just need to put these together. So we've got x squared plus 5x plus 3x plus 15. Now here I can see that these two bits in the middle, my 5x and my 3x, those two things will simplify. I can collect those together because they have the same term, so they're both x's. So that means that if I collect them together, I'll end up with x squared plus 5x plus 3x, 8x plus 15. So that's the first one done. That there is what I would say would be my final answer. That's my expanded expression. So same thing with this one. I'm timesing them together, so put these things into our grid. X minus 2, x and minus, that's a bit dodgy there, x and minus 2, and then x and plus 5. So x multiplied by x gives us x squared, x multiplied by plus 5 gives us plus 5x, x multiplied by minus 2 gives us minus 2x, and then minus 2 multiplied by plus 5, well, that will give us minus 10. Now write these things out. We've got x squared plus 5x minus 2x minus 10, and again these bits here will simplify, and when I simplify it, it leaves me with x squared plus 3x minus 10.